Good morning, everyone. Today, Wednesday, 16th of August, middle of the week. Let's go through the pairs, see what's been happening. First pair, USD JPY. We are currently in a trade from the day before yesterday. Bullish close candle. Yesterday, there wasn't much movement. You can see here in 15 minutes, it's just up and down sideways movement. Hopefully today we get some action going. USD CAD. Let's see, we've closed one trade in profit, and the second trade currently also in profit, but still got a little bit to go. Hopefully can crack above the wick and hit my TP. We'll see how it goes. It's already kind of rejected that top one time, came back, so there's a high chance for it to continue. With that being said, for today, I'm gonna enter another position on this one, since yesterday was a strong bullish close and the move is up. We have a strong momentum towards upside. Eventually it's gonna come down and it's gonna have a pullback, but until it happens, I'm not gonna make assumptions. No reason. All right, so we go at the market, 20 bucks AUD, and then we'll see where it ends up. Hopefully it continues to go up. USD CHF, extremely sideways movement, leave it be. AUD CHF looks like it's moving again, so it had a chance to pull back but didn't. Not sure what to think about this one. It's gonna eventually have a pullback again, but you know, we don't make assumptions, we just follow the momentum down. Hopefully come down. That's AUD CHF, AUD New Zealand. We are okay. Tried to move, it failed. I'm not gonna hold this to close at momentum's gone. The bullish momentum is. So this simply close around here. That's pretty much break-even close. Alright, for now, New Zealand is out. Looks like it's gonna go sideways. AUD CAD. Finally some movement towards downside. Move is good, relatively good. I'm gonna develop here, and because of yesterday's strong candle, relatively strong candle, go with another position here. $20 risk. We do a market sell. Alright, AUD USD, we're also going for a sell here because of a strong bullish candle. Movement is down, hopefully continue down. So that's AUD USD. Next pair, AUD JPY. We're in a loss right now. I'm gonna set an alert around this area. Price comes back up, get out. New Zealand CAD, not much movement. Unfortunately, missed our TP for the previous trade. Current trade also in the green, just needs to wait long. I'm gonna actually put the first trade break even by we going risk free. For the first trade, it's already moved 50 pips. Just needed to move that with TP. Don't want to manipulate my take profit at any stage. New Zealand CHF, also in the green. Candle size is a bit small compared to previous candles. I wouldn't say there's a strong momentum, especially with the day before being a pause candle. Just leave it be. New Zealand USD, almost near TP, hasn't really reached there yet, and it's kind of a small, not entering a second here. New Zealand CAD, absolutely sideways. Euro pound, the zone down here. Honestly, this area is just too messy. I wouldn't want to get a stock pair. It's not been looking well in terms of movement. A lot of giant wicks can take you out. A lot of sideways, sudden jump, sideways down, flip candle. I'll stay away from this for now. Euro CHF, sideways. Euro JPY. We're already out of this trade here. I put, where was it? Yeah, down here. So it shoot up in the green, and I brought the stop loss to around this area, a bit higher. In case it had momentum, it could continue, but it looked like it did not have that momentum. So that's a break even for me. No new entries here. Candles are tiny. It's kind of pausing there. Euro UD. Alright, so I closed this one also at kind of small loss. You can see here about this area. What happened? Price dipped down and I put a alert to close it here, which good thing I did because this move down would have taken me out even though it moved back up again. But this is a good sign in a way. It's a good sign for a new entry. Strong bullish candle. We go 1 2, so hopefully price can push up here. Euro USD, no movement yet. Did have price coming back up, but it's pushed back down. Looks like the momentum seems bearish. We just maintain this. Euro New Zealand, it's in the green, and I'm inclined to believe that this is now failing to push down. It's gonna go up. It's considering a strong bullish candle as well. Market. All right, Euro CAD. All right, I think this bounce here is gonna continue up. Reason being, first, it's already rejected from down bottom. Second, the overall movement is up. Third, yesterday's candle closed a strong bullish. Plenty of reason to buy here. Okay, so hopefully it comes go up. Try to test this top pound JPY. It's looking good. It's looking good. I'm gonna follow this up as well. Even though candle's not very strong, but 4 consecutive days it's been bullish. It's eventually gonna have a pullback, but we don't concern ourselves. As long as there is a momentum in the market in one direction, we just go in that direction. Simple. Now that's why I put a stop loss a little bit further down, because the candle sizes are small. Might be a slight rejection down. Pound the UD. Whoa, we had a winner. It's a very strong candle there. So winner on pound AUD, and we just follow this up. Another position. UD is also a buy. Pound USD, nothing here. It's completely sideways movement. It's stuck at this zone twice in a row. Stuck at the zone and then failed to push up. Pound CAD. All right, this one I closed that right here at break even, and good thing I did. It pushed up really quickly. So right here it closed. I just noticed it's not moving up, and closed it yesterday. Today though, it looks like it's created a lower high, so I would suggest there is a reasonable probability for this to continue on. So that's a buy. Pound CAD, pound CHF, completely sideways, nothing here. Pound New Zealand, whoa, okay, another win. Pound New Zealand, looks like pound is doing well. We'll just follow this up with another buy. I'm thinking if it drops below these lows, it's probably over anyway. So there is no reason to put that stop loss behind the candle. Excellent, should be going. Alright, so pound New Zealand also a buy. CAD CHF sideways entry. CAD JPY, we are in a position closed in the red, so we need to manage this. I think it comes to these highs, then I'll enter it. Hopefully this is just a quick retest before a bounce. It won't have a deep pullback. We'll see how it goes. CHF JPY, wow, did really go up. So first trade we're out in profit, so we had that winner here. So second trade or fail to reach TP. We are still not in red yet, so I'll keep this going. Hopefully it continues up. Alright, thanks guys for watching. This is it for today. We have plenty of positions. Hopefully we can close some of it or most of it a bit by the end of the week. I'll catch up with you too. Cheers.